Okay, so here we got the F-22 from RCPowers. This is the version 2, and we're going to do the Maiden Flight with this baby, see how it goes, and you know, see what happens. So not too windy, you know, maybe a few 2 or 3 miles an hour. With that, you can see the windsock. We have an onboard camera, high-def Keyfob camera. We'll try that out. Let me set my timer here on my controller too. Get my camera started. There we go. That was pretty cool, don't you think?
Yeah.
Think it flew pretty good?
Looking up is really hard.
I think it flew pretty good. So this was the Maiden Flight. That was pretty good. I thought, you know, it had pretty good flight characteristics. You can see I put some markings on the bottom. This is just green duct tape, just so I could see what was going on. See the bottom of the plane from the top. And also I put a piece of bamboo in the front. I do this with a lot of my planes so that when I crash them, it absorbs some of the energy. And it's actually made so that the rod will actually get pushed out through the top a little bit. So this will really save that you're playing from those nose ends. So it flew pretty good. I'm happy with it. My LiPo alarm started beeping at me, so I knew I was slow on power. So I always fly with that because it's so light. You could see that in the camera there. I don't know if you can see that, but I just hook it on there. I just fly with it, and it starts beeping. You can get these off eBay for about $5, and it's loud enough that you can hear it. So when you're flying, so I like it, and it's a nice little tester, voltage tester. I was flying. It looks like for about 5 minutes or so. So that was fun. So this is my F-22 scratch build. The planes are by RCPowers. This is version 2. But this is just the scratch build with the stock, everything pretty much. The only thing I did was I added tape, a lot of packing tape to the leading edges to strengthen it. I have a Grayson Hobby motor in there. This is more of the this is like the microjet, but it's a version 2 motor. I plan to put a 3-cell 2200 milliamp hour battery in here. Probably like a 25C, 30C battery. Here's the compartment that I have for the battery. There's a Velcro strap. I actually put my compartment behind the canopy, like a lot of guys do. They put theirs right up here, but it's been recommended to put the battery actually behind the canopy. So that's what that is for. And if we flip this guy over, this big boy over, you can see I just put some tape on some of the edges just so the bottom of the plane stands out. It is all white. Again, I have packing tape all over the bottom here to help protect the bottom. If we open the hatch up here, it's got, you can see it's got magnets on it. And there's the ESC, 35 amp ESC, a receiver. That's from Hobby King. It's one of those orange RX receivers. Spectrum compatible. I have a mixer, VTL mixer in there. I only have 2 control surfaces right now. I have the 2 Elevons in the back here. If you look in the back, you can see this one here and one here with my servos. You can see back there.